Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning Surah Quraish. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. لإيلاف قريش. For kasra give E sound. E. Hamza is very sharp. For kasra give E sound attached with ya. This is 2 counts long vowel. E. La is 2 counts long too because this standing fatha is complete fatha. So you can write it like this too. La. So this is the same of this. La. Fi. For kasra give E sound. Give hams in fa. Qaf, make qaf heavy. To make a heavy qaf, you're lifting your tongue up, but you're not circling your lips. You're just circling your lips here because of dhamma, not because of qaf. So circle your lips for dhamma. Raish. Because of this waqf, you are giving temporary sukoon here, and this temporary sukoon has changed this lean. Now there is lean. This was 2 counts long too. So this lean has turned into 4 counts long, and this is mad lean. This is mad lean. This is not mad arid sukoon. This is mad lean. Lean. Quraish. And Sheen will get sifa of Rakhawa and Tafashi, and this is light. E. Hamza is very sharp for kasra give E sound, and it is 2 counts long because this ya is complete ya. It can be like, yes, this is like this. E, 2 counts long. La, 2 counts long, as it can be like this too. So feel this standing fatha, just like alif. La, 2 counts long. Fi, give hams in fa. For kasra give E sound, the sound is short. Him, for kasra give E sound attached with meme. Meme will get sif off. Tawassut and ruling is ha. Rih, for kasra ra will be light here. For kasra give E sound attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of rakha and hams, and ha should be from your throat. Rih, la for fatha open jaws. Tash for fatha open jaws attached with sheen. Sheen will get sifa of rakha and tafashi, and it is light. Tash. The sound should flow because rafqawa means flow of sound. The sound should flow and it should be heard very nicely. Tashi for kasra give E sound. The sound with kasra will be very short. Ta muttasil wajib. So make it 4 counts long. Ta-i was. Oh, wow, the makhraj of wow, circling your lips for fatha open jaws attached. Sod will get zifa of rakhawa, and it is heavy and it has safir. Was sai. Okay. So this is lean. You remember? Ya sakina qablaha maftuh. This is lean. So make it soft, make it long, 2 counts long. It is 2 counts long. So because of this waqf, you are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has bring in hums here. First, rakhawa and hums with fa. And this temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel, which was lean now. So it has changed into 4 counts long, and this is mad lean now. Mad lean. والصيف. Fell, give hams on fa for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. You will not stop lam abruptly, but the sound should go travel little. Fell, yeah. Keep ya soft for fatha open jaws attached with ain. Ain will get sifa of tawassut, and ain should be from your throat. Woo. For the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Do. For the circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. Rab. Make ra heavy whenever ra is with fatha, the might is heavy. Rab and ba will get sifa shidda. No flow of sound whatsoever, but the sound will cut off there and then. Rab for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ha, 2 counts long. Dal for fatha open jaws attached. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Bait. Because of the waqf, you are giving sukoon here, and it brings hams in ta now. Ta with sukoon is always with hams, and hams is flow of breath. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel, which was lean now, so it has changed into 4. This is mad lean. Bait, bait. Hamza is sharp for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam only gets off the wasut. La for fatha open jaws. The sound is short with fatha. The 2 counts long. Hamza is very sharp, no flow of sound. And for fatha open jaws attached with ta, ta will get sifa of qalqala, and it is heavy. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. Ma for fatha open jaws. idgham al-shafawi or idgham mutamathilain. Gunna, complete gunna, gunna akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. This is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light because jim is among light letters. So keep your tongue straight to make this ikhfa. It should not be that long. Ju. For the circle letters, make it 2 counts long, and jim should not have ch sound into it. It is very sharp letter. Ju. Ayun. Idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ayun. For fatha upon jaws, the makhraj of waw is circling your lips. Why I keep on saying this waw, the makhraj of waw is circling your lips? Because you should not use your teeth to touch the lower lip. Most of the people are saying waw with their teeth. That is wrong. You just have to circle your lips to make waw. The makhraj of waw is circling your lips. Huwa. No interference of teeth here. Hamza is very sharp, make it 2 counts long. Ma for fatha open jaws. Na for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Both meme and noon should be in a straight length. Ma na. idgham al-shafawi أو idgham mutamathilain. Min for kasra give e sound attached with noon will get sifa of tawassut and ruling it is hard. Khawf. This waqf because of the waqf, we are giving temporary sukoon. This temporary sukoon has changed this lean into, this was lean, that is 2 counts long, and now it is converted into 4 because of this temporary sukoon. And this is madleen now. Before it was harfleen. With this, now it's madleen, subhanallah. الذي أطعمهم من جوع وآمن وآمنهم من خوف الذي أطعمهم من جوع وآمنهم من خوف. And don't forget hams on fa when you're giving sukoon. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.